Which of the following is not a multicellular organism? Fungi, paramecium, hydra, or spirogyra? Correct answer is B. Which of the following is not unicellular? Euglena, amoeba, paramecium, or hydra? Correct answer is D. Which of the following statements is incorrect? Hydra reproduce only asexually. Most frogs are oviparous animals. Budding is not possible in hydra. Or internal fertilization occurs in hens. Correct answer is A. Microorganisms act upon dead plants to produce sand, mushrooms, wood, or humus. Correct answer is D. Which of the following belongs to the Monera group? Mushrooms, yeast, bacteria, or moss? Correct answer is C. Onion is a modified form of leaf, stem, root, or none of the above. Correct answer is B. Which of the following is the largest living bird? Eagle, peacock, ostrich, or kiwi? Correct answer is C. Rod-shaped bacteria are referred to as bacillus, spirillum, coccus, or vibrio. Correct answer is A. The animal that has recently become extinct in India is golden cat, cheetah, woolly wolf, or rhinoceros. Correct answer is B. What is a sponge classified as? A fungus, a fossil, a plant, or an animal? Correct answer is D. Where is the headquarters of the Botanical Survey of India located? Lucknow, Darjeeling, Kolkata, or Ooty? Correct answer is C. What does a virus contain? Nucleic acid and protein and lipid, lipid and carbohydrate, or carbohydrate and nucleic acid? Correct answer is A. How many legs does a crab have? 12, 10, 8, or 6? Correct answer is B. Where are eucalyptus trees predominantly found? Mizo Hills, Naga Hills, Manipur Hills, or Nilgiri Hills? Correct answer is D. Which of the following organisms has respiratory organs but lacks a brain? Crab, starfish, bloodsucker, or silverfish? Correct answer is B. Roundworm, a human parasite, is typically found in the lungs, liver, stomach, or intestine. Correct answer is D. In male sharks, where are claspers found? Anal fins, pectoral fins, pelvic fins, or ventral fins? Correct answer is C. Which of the following is known as a bodybuilder? Proteins, carbohydrates, vitamins, or fats? Correct answer is A. Which animal uses sound as its eyes? Dog, cat, snake, or bat? Correct answer is D. An ant can see objects all around it due to the presence of simple eyes, compound eyes, well-developed eyes, or eyes over the head. Correct answer is B. Please join our journey. Subscribe, share, and stay updated.